Hey, what's up? This is Antonio Thompson coming to you from Brooklyn, New York. And today I want to talk to you about, how to actually, rank your content into Google, right? I'm gonna share with you some tips on how I actually, rank my stuff into Google and do some, pre-blog keyword research and show you how to do that, right? And so when I'm first getting ready to write a blog post, obviously I have an idea in my mind what I want to talk about. And for this video, I'm going to actually use this blog post as the example, right? So I'm going to be talking about, how to rank your blog post or video in Google. So the first thing I'll do is I'll go to Google Keyword Planner and open a new, open a new window. Oops, what I want. Let's open Google Keyword Planner. And it's right here. So I'm going to type in some keywords and phrases that might help me identify a good one to use for this blog post. So let's do blog SEO, rank blog in Google. Let's do search engine optimization. Let's try those. So we're going to get some ideas. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to keyword ideas here. And I'm going to see what ones might be good. I'm actually going to sort this by competition. Definitely want to find some low-hanging fruit, words that are phrases or words that aren't being as competitive but have high monthly searches. Okay, so let's just scroll through and see what we can find. So rank page, I'll add that to clipboard. Rank page. Let's see. Search engine tips. Let's pick a find. Let's go find with the word Google in it. Search. This has been good. So improve Google page rank. Google rank page. Google search rank. Yes, I think we got some good options here. Got 5. All right. So we got 5 good options. I'm looking to find a keyword to make my title, right? So I'm gonna go to I have a text document that I keep with my blog post format. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keywords to choose from. So I'm gonna come up with a title. Let's see. I'm gonna share 5 tips to I'm gonna share 5 tips. So 5 search engines. Here with the tips to rank higher. We'll try that one. We'll try let's see, 5 tips to rank page. Don't like that one. Tips improve Google page rank. Google search rank. Actually, rank page. I like. Let's see, and let's use this last one. 5 tips to improve. Tips to improve your Google search rank. All right, so we've got some options here. So I got 3 titles. What I didn't do is I'll go to this site called Emotional Headline Analyzer, right? I want to make sure my my headline kind of appeals to my audience. And so this basically is something that marketers use to make sure their blogs are connecting with their audience in a deep and emotional way. So I'm gonna actually just put some of these in here and mess around with them a bit. Let's go with this one. So 5 search engine tips to rank higher, say in Google. We'll go with a business. That's 11% EMV score, and you want to have a score between 30 and 40, and the best copywriters have a score of 50 and 75. So I'm gonna say like this one: 5 search engine tips, or 5 search engine tips to rank higher in Google. 5. Yeah, I don't like that actual title, so let me just get rid of that. 5 tips to improve Google page rank. Let's see. Oops. 5 ways to improve Google page rank. What's going on? Why is that not going to? Set to 28.57, maybe 5 steps to improve your Google page rank. We're getting closer. Let's say 5 key steps to improve your Google page rank. Okay, that could work. So let's add, that might be an option as a headline. Let's look at this one. Five tips to improve your Google search rank. So 5 keys to improve your Google search rank. Okay, that's a little bit higher than the other one. So you can make this a little bit better. 5 keys to improve your Google search rank. Let's add in 5 keys to easily improve your Google search rank. All right, I think we have a winner here. I like this. All right, so let's go with this one. 5 keys to easily improve your Google search rank. That's going to be our title. 5 keys to easily improve your Google search rank. So our keyword is Google search rank, right? All right, so we got a keyword. Get rid of these. And so then what I'll do, let me close this. Let me close this. So I'll put the title in my blog post here. I want to make sure that it shows up in the URL, okay? And I'll scroll down, and I use a plugin called Yoast SEO. I just want to make sure that the title shows up here, so I'm going to put that in there as well. I'm going to grab the keyword, and this plugin basically checks your blog post for its ability to rank in Google, right? To make sure you're meeting all the criteria, right? And so I'll put the keyword here. If you scroll down, you'll see it'll give you a sense of the content and tell you whether or not it's going to rank. It can rank, right? So when you have greens, that means you're good to go. Reds mean you're, stop, address this issue. Oranges means you can yield and fix it or not, right? So we put the keyword here. Now I'm gonna go and try and find some other relevant keywords, or we call them tags as well. So I go to Google, and I'll grab my keyword, which is Google rank page. And what I'll do is I'll scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you'll see things that are related to this particular keyword, right? So I'm going to copy all of these. Just copy all of these. And I'm going to put them underneath my tag. And so what I want to do is actually, when I'm writing my blog post, I want to include some of these additional related search terms in my blog post, so it comes up more highly in the searches, right? So I'm going to use, this is our keyword here. So we're going to use increase Google search rank. That's a good one. Google search rank algorithm, not so much. Google search rank mobile friendly, nope. Google search rank mobile, nope. We use improve Google search rank. Check Google search rank. Let's see what comes up for that. I'm not too sure about what that means. Oh, okay, I know what that means. So we can actually add that because I'm going to talk a little bit about the keyword planner as well in this post. So I will add that as a tag. So we've got keywords, we've got tags, and we have a pretty cool title. So I'm going to grab these tags and go back to my blog post here. I'm going to put them here in the tags here as well. The commas there. Yep, so I'm going to add these. And then I'm going to add these tags to the meta keyword as well as the focus keyword to the meta keyword as well. Okay. So we've got our tags, we got our title, a keyword, the title. So I'm gonna go ahead and start writing this blog post, and we'll be right back. Also, what I'll do is I'll also try to grab some authority sites. You'll see what I mean later when I talk about this in the blog post. But what I'll do is I'll type in that keyword again, Google search rank, and find, you know, some authority blogs that I can use to link to. Let's see. Is this one? That might be a good one. The Forbes article. We're just looking for authority sites to, you know, add to our blog. Google definitely likes it when you link to other websites, so we're gonna find some things that might be relevant. Link to Google. All right, so we got three additional sites that we're going to add to our blog post as additional resources. We'll add this one, this Forbes article. Two ways to improve the rank. And then we'll add how to improve your website's Google ranking as another resource. All right, cool. So now let me go ahead and write this blog post, and I'll be right back. All right, so we're back and we've got our blog post done. Before I actually copy and paste it into the WordPress document here, I'm actually going to go to a blog post and grab my my footer that I put on every blog post. Basically, just the my picture, my name, and all that kind of stuff, and a quick PS. So I'll go here and just copy and paste. Copy this. I'm going to paste that there. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab the blog post. Just want to change this usually. There. And we're going to add it here. And so we've got the post. And let's check the SEO Yoast plugin to see how we're doing in terms of meeting the criteria for a good blog post that will rank. So we've got a green light here, meaning we're pretty good. Let's scroll down and just take a look. Alright, so no meta description, no images. Page title contains focused keyword. The page title contains 80 characters, which is more than the Google's 70 character limit, so we can fix most of that. So let's start with the page title. It's basically down here in the description. That we need to just change that there, and then this is the meta description box here. We'll type something struggling, want to get your content, your blog, want to improve your Google search and your blog. Actually, these 5 keys, change to 5. These 5 key steps. The 5 key steps I share today are guaranteed to increase your Google search rank today. Want to improve the Google search rank of your blog? The 5 key steps I share today are guaranteed to easily increase your Google search rank today. Alright, so we need to change this title because I have 3 there and it's actually 5 keys. So let me change that in the title and the URL. So the next thing I want to do is I actually want to go in and highlight, underline, underline, bold, and italicize some of the keyword and related keywords. Okay, so I'm going to bold this one here and underline. Let's just Google search. And I'll italicize here. Increase. Bolded here. Italicize. Oh, underline it there. Perfect. Okay. So then I'm gonna go ahead and link these URLs up. I'm gonna open them in a new website because I want to make sure that my website actually stays open while they view the other additional resources. Website and website. I'm going to bold this. This is my call to action. You don't have a blog yet. Click here to take your test drive and get your own blog. Link. I'm gonna link somewhere else. This one here. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some images to this blog post, right? So what I typically do is two things. So I want to add a featured image and an image in the actual text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google and just search for some images that I have to deal with. Google ranking. Let's see what comes up. Website. The images come up. Let's see. I like this. This is cool. That's fine. We'll grab that. I'm gonna put that on my folder here that I have going on for this particular blog post. I'm gonna rename this actually the keyword. So Google. What's the keyword? Google search rank. Just put it there. Google search rank. Why not? Let's see. Google search rank. Okay. And I'm gonna go to Canva and design my images for the featured image as well as for Twitter and Instagram. Let me find a good background image that I can use. Oh, I like this one. It's nice. Okay, yeah, this one looks good. Let's see the one. Use that. Just grab that. And then I'll go to Canva and just copy a image that I've used before. I'm going to go ahead and upload this one here. I'm going to go and remove the background. Remove this. I'm just going to add that in the background. Go to the background. Come over here. Make it a little bit bigger. Over there. Move this over a little bit. I'm gonna add the title. this one. This up some. Let's just grab the title from the blog post. Go in there, change the font. Make it smaller. And let's go with a light blue. There's a light there. And I'm gonna copy that text from the title and download it. Image. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for Instagram and Twitter, creating an image for those two platforms. And let's get rid of the background. Let's get rid of this. Let's add that other background to it. It's small, but it's cool. That looks cool. I didn't even plan to do that. It looks pretty cool actually. Let's add the text in. To add in that blue. I think it was a darker blue, but it doesn't matter. That looks cool. Maybe do like this darker blue. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, dark blue, that's fine. Change that, we'll download that. And we'll drag this to the folder, this particular blog post. And then what we'll do, we'll go back to the blog post and we will add that as a featured image. I'm going to copy the title into the alt text here, set the featured image, and I'm going to grab the, nope, that's not what I wanted. I'm going to grab the image Google SEO and put that into the blog post. And I'm just going to copy the title. And put that into the alt text, insert into post. And that's right there. Let's see what that looks like actually. Might want to bring that down some. I'll bring it up actually. So that takes. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Okay. I'll bring this down. Yeah. Okay. See what that looks like now. A little bit more. And I think that's good. We just need to select our category. And I think we are good to publish. Actually, I'm not going to publish it yet because I do want to upload this video to it. So we hit save draft. through this one more time just to take a quick look. Actually, I made a mistake here with the keyword. I'll remove this improve, make sure that's not italicized. But yeah, that's pretty much it, right? We are pretty much good to go. What I'll do is I'll add the video in here and then publish it. But that's pretty much it. So I hope you got some value out of this video. It wasn't a short one, but I definitely hope you got some value out of it. And if you did, please like it, share it, and comment on it. And definitely read the full blog post at antonioRthompson.com/blog1. And if you don't have a blog and you want to create authority and a brand online and have people be attracted to you, reaching out to you, asking you to work with you, asking you to join your business, click the link at the end of this video. Take your test drive of Smiley System Pro. It's only $10 for a 10-day risk-free test drive. Get started and get your blog going right away. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.